and precipitate in your hood. What the f up, you buttercup? In that butt, smoking suicide, bloody blood.
Yo, what's good? What's really good? Freaky Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel, and baby, sweetie, welcome to episode 2 of the beauty studio creation shenanigans. How do you like what we did from episode 1? I think it's looking really, really good. I'm really, really happy and excited about it. I don't think I can adjust my camera. So as some of you may know, we are doing a series putting together my beauty studio. Make sure you watch the first episode because you won't understand how we got these frames back here. Okay, so watch the first episode. Okay? All right, it's gonna be linked down below. Easy. I make your life so easy. Why make my life complicated by not just watching the video, liking the video, subscribe. You're not even ready. You're not ready. You're not ready. If you are new to my channel, girl, come on, girl. Come on, girl. What is you doing, girl? What is the... I don't have the time. I don't have the time. I don't watch it. So just save yourself the energy, save yourself the time, save yourself the headache, save yourself the trip, save yourself the bus ticket, save yourself the embarrassment. And just go ahead and subscribe. Literally, guys, this episode, this might be my favorite episode so far. But you know what? I got these next episodes. Anyway, I'm hyped, I'm amped up. You know what, enough of the talking. Without further ado, just go ahead and jump right on into the video. And if you have any questions, save them for the comment section. So cool. So I did end up buying these pillars. I felt like the design, this design here throughout the whole entire thing matched and made sense with the design on the frame and the candle holder. So I did get 4 of these. I plan to put them in like every corner, but wait till you guys see what I end up doing with these after this episode. Will they stay white? Will they turn gold? Will they get trimmed in gold? We'll see. Very cool. The top of them is like this, so it's very cool. It's like little table stands. Another thing that I got are these lamps. These lamps I have had for years. Do not recall where I got them from. The lampshades are white right now, but we'll see. I just love the crystal look, and it's trimmed in gold at the bottom. So that's a really, really cool look. Hey guys, these items you can find at Dollar Tree and Hobby Lobby. I do want to say excuse my ashy knuckles because while picking up these beads here, I had to pick them up off the ground with these nails and I was scratching my knuckles on the ground, so they were so ashy. Look how beautiful these perfume bottles are. Wow. Love it. Okay guys, so in the background I do have the pillars and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to place them. So what I typically like to do is place things and then look at it from a distance to make sure that it looks good. placement of the pillars, I'm going to incorporate those mirrors that I showed you guys earlier and everything else on these pillars. When you walk into the room, there's one right here by the front door, one in that corner, in the middle, and one in that corner. And what I did was I twisted these at the bottom so that they were sort of just in a cool way, the corner, so it's more so like this. And same with that guy there. As for the perfume bottles, I was previously planning to place them somehow onto the pillars I have. I now have decided that I would like to add them to the frames on the walls. Okay guys, this is the final result with the frames and everything. So let's get a closer look.